We're going to Cafe Loki. I'm gonna get an espresso, maybe a little treat, and Nick Foxer's gonna do all the work, find out what we're doing.
Hey Nogen, where do you feel like getting a coffee?
Somewhere low-key.
All right, day 4. Checked out of our hostel, got ourselves a rental car, and we are now heading out of Reykjavik and into the wild, into the fosses. Seljalandsfoss, Skogafoss, Gullfoss, all the fosses. It's gonna be fossum. So fossum! One fall down, next fall, Seljalandsfoss. We're doing 2 today, we're doing the 3rd tomorrow. So we got 1 more today, if my math is correct.
It's true.
All right, so
3 minus 2
is
1.
1. Alright, so we did the 2 fosses. Alright, so we did the 2 fosses that we were gonna do today. The second foss was kinda rainy. Seljalandsfoss. Not so clear. Anyway, now we're on our way to the geyser, known as simply Geyser. And that's where we're gonna hopefully camp and spend the night. As long as it's not raining too hard when we get there. Hotel on wheels right here. You sit up front, sleep in the back, go wherever you want to go. Although you better hope that you want to go where they go. We brought a tent, we brought sleeping bags, and it's not currently raining, so we're gonna try and set up the tent before it starts raining. So it looks like Nogen forgot the poles to the tent. So I don't know what we're gonna do, because we're supposed to camp for 4 nights on this trip. But here is a time lapse of us starting to set up the tent before we realized that there were no poles.
You're looking at geysers this evening. It's actually 11 p.m. despite what you might think looking at the light availability.